NASA TV-to-air Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich launch, pre-launch activities. NASA is targeting 12:17 p.m. EST, 9:17 a.m. PST, Saturday, November 21, for the launch of the Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich satellite, the first of two identical satellites to head into Earth orbit 5 years apart to continue sea-level observations for at least the next decade. Live launch coverage will begin at 11:45 a.m. EST, 8:45 a.m. PST, on NASA television and the agency's website, with pre-launch and science briefings the day before on November 20. Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich will head into orbit on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Space Launch Complex 4 at Vandenberg Air Force Base, VAFB, in California. The launch is managed by NASA's Launch Services Program, based at the agency's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California manages the agency's contribution to the mission. The Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich satellite is named in honor of the former director of NASA's Earth Science Division, who was instrumental in advancing space-based ocean measurements. It follows the most recent U.S. European sea level observation satellite, JASON-3, which launched in 2016. And is currently providing high-precision and timely observations of the topography of the global ocean. The Sentinel-6/JASON-CS, Continuity of Service, mission, consisting of the Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich and Sentinel-6B satellites, is being jointly developed by ESA, European Space Agency, the European Organization for the Exploitation of Meteorological Satellites, EUMETSAT, NASA, and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, with funding support from the European Commission and support from France's National Centre for Space Studies, CNES. The Sentinel-6/JASON-CS mission is part of Copernicus, the European Union's Earth observation program, managed by the European Commission. Continuing the legacy of the JASON series missions, Sentinel-6/JASON-CS will extend the records of sea level into their fourth decade, collecting accurate measurements of sea surface height for more than 90% of the world's oceans, and providing crucial information for operational oceanography, marine meteorology, and climate studies. Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich's twin, Sentinel-6B, is scheduled to launch in 2025. NASA's contributions to the Sentinel-6/JASON-CS mission are 3 science instruments for each of the 2 satellites, the Advanced Microwave Radiometer, the Global Navigation Satellite System, radio occultation, and the Laser Retroreflector Array. NASA is also contributing launch services, ground systems supporting operation of the NASA science instruments, the science data processors for 2 of these instruments, and support for the U.S. members of the International Ocean Surface Topography Science Team. Due to the coronavirus, COVID-19, pandemic, all media participation in news conferences will be remote. A phone bridge will be provided for each briefing. The deadline for media to apply for accreditation for this launch has passed, but more information about media accreditation is available by contacting. Full mission coverage is as follows, all times Eastern. Friday, November 20th. 3:30 p.m. Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich Science Briefing with the following participants. Middle. Karen St. Germain, Director, NASA Earth Science Division. Middle. Craig Donlan, Project Scientist, ESA. Middle. Remco Cheru, Project Scientist, EUMETSAT. Middle. Josh Willis, Project Scientist, JPL. Middle. Deirdre Byrne, Oceanographer, NOAA. Middle. Luan Thompson, Oceanographer, University of Washington. Media who would like to ask questions during the science briefing must provide their name and affiliation by 2:30 p.m. EST, 11:30 a.m. PST, on November 20th, to Exanavis by calling 818-393-1931. Valid media credentials are required. Questions may also be asked via social media with the hashtag #SeeingTheSeas. 5 p.m. Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich pre-launch news conference with the following participants. Middle. Thomas Zurbuchen, Associate Administrator for Science Mission Directorate, NASA Headquarters. Mid-launch coverage begins. Audio only of the news conferences and launch coverage will be carried on the NASA V circuits. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.